Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
सांतांद्रे मतदारसंघातल्या लोकांनी झोन बदलाक हरकत घेऊन खर आंदोलन केले. लोकांच्या आंदोलनाची दखल घेऊन TCP खात्यान हे झोन बदल रद्द केले. सरकाराच्या ह्याच निर्णयाक संबंधितांनी कोर्टात आव्हान दिले.
3 petitions have been filed before the High Court challenging Goa government's decision to withdraw all the permissions granted under Section 39A of TCP Act in Sant Andre constituency. Petitioners have contended that they had got provisional NOC under Section 39A of TCP Act in Sant Andre constituency for the zone change. But it seems that Goa government, under pressure by a public protest, withdrew all the permissions granted under Section 39A without giving the parties a notice or a hearing. After briefly hearing the petitioners, the High Court has issued notices to Goa government and the TCP department and has fixed the hearing on 17th June. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.